Warsak Dam was completed under the Colombo Plan in 2 phases and financed by the Canadian government. The first phase was completed in 1960 and consisted of the construction of the dam, irrigation tunnels and installation of 4 power generating units, each of 40 megawatts capacity with 132 kV transmission system, were also completed in 1960. 2 additional generating units of 41.48 megawatts capacity each were added in 1980–81 in the second phase. Capacity. Edit. The total installed capacity of the Warsak Dam hydropower project is 243 megawatts. In June 2012, the Pakistan WAPDA, Water and Power Development Authority, decided to add a 375 megawatts powerhouse to Warsak, which will raise Warsak's total power generation capacity to 525 megawatts. No date was given on when the project would be complete.